Hey foodies, let's make this delicious pili pili ya kukaanga. Pili pili ya kukaanga simply means fried hot sauce. Okay, to make this we are going to need a food processor. With that, a plate to help us blend or pulse the chilies. Okay, and then the ingredients are mentioned or listed, and I have a written recipe on the blog. I'm going to leave the link to the blog down in the description. Okay, then we are going to start with prepping our ingredient. Peel and then roughly chopped the onion and the garlic. After roughly chop, you place them in the food processor. You don't need to do the most, just roughly chop, really place them in the food processor. And the main thing, guys, before, please come closer, attention, use gloves when handling chili. If you don't have gloves, try like me. I couldn't find my gloves, so I use a fork and then a knife. Trust me, you don't want to touch chili. Even after washing hand, these chili are still, the heat is still on your hand, so please use your gloves. Okay, so we are just removing the stems from the chili and we are going to leave the seed. Okay, make sure when buying your chili, you buy the ones that are still firm and they are fresh, so that they can keep longer and not go bad after you have done all this. After you remove your stems, we are going to roughly chop this as well. Don't do the most again, just for the risk of you ending up touching this. Roughly chop these and then add them also to the food processor. And again, I'm using something because I don't have gloves. Please, you don't touch this. This is too hot and very dangerous. If you touch it and then you'll touch your face or any part of your body, it will really burn. Okay, now after adding all our chili in the food processor, we are going to process this too. I love my chili to have texture, but if you love them smooth, use a blender or in the food processor, then blend it. But I'm using the pulse option of my blender because it doesn't really blend everything. It's just process the food and it still have texture, and that's why I'm using the blender. I mean the pulse option. Please ignore my nails in this, guys. I know, but yeah, you know. Anyway, back to the chili. Okay, so my chili is like this. This is the texture I love. Ooh, nice, looking nice and bright and red. Yes, now to the next step, we are going to fry now the chilies. To fry this, simply add the oil to the pan and heat this up on a medium to low. Don't heat your oil too much because you don't want to add chili in hot oil. It's going to fly around and risk to fly in your eyes. Okay, so add in your chili, and I'm simply adding in also from the cover because no waste here, guys. Want to use everything. Okay, so add this in. The temperature I'm using to fry my oh no, is it the temperature? Yeah, it's a 4. My cooker can go up to 9. I fry this on 4. Get it? So medium to low. This, you don't want this to fry in your eyes, guys. This will be like the worst thing that can happen to anybody. Okay, so add all in and we are going to fry this for 10 minutes. For the sake of this recipe, I had to time myself, and 10 minutes was a sweet spot. To know that it's ready, the oil has to kind of completely have separated from the mixture, and you know that, oh yes, it's really frying nicely. Okay, you can see here it's not yet there, but then you will see the difference. Like when you mix it straight away, you can see it's not yet there, but when it's fried, when it's ready, you will see the oil has completely separated. Okay, and once and again, as I mentioned, just fry this for 10 minutes. Can you see that difference, guys? Okay, once it's nice and ready, now we're going to season this with just salt and lemon juice. Mix that well and remove from the heat and allow to cool completely before storing it. I store mine in a glass jar and in the fridge, and it usually lasts about a month, but you have to keep an eye on your chili, smell it or look at it. If you see any physical mold or it smells funny, discard of it. But mine lasts me like a month, and I like to make a little bit of at a time so that I'm not wasting anything. Okay, hope you are inspired, guys. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.